Good morning or afternoon or evening or whatever it is where you are. Hey, I wanted to post a video, another one about what I wish I would have known when I posted the original video and I learned upon checkout. So with this one, it's regarding Fashom. When I went to check out with Fashom, I didn't notice that the $10 credit was applying because I clicked through on someone else's link, which should have gotten me, I think I got free shipping with the click through for your first box. And then I also got a $10 credit, should have had, and then she should have had a $10 credit too. And this was Donna, by the way, from Tips and Tales. Tips, the sign, and Tales. She has a great unboxing channel if you want to check her out. I'll try and link her below, and Donna, I'm going to try and tag you in this if I can remember how to do that. I'm so new. So anyway, when I went through checkout, I didn't know that. I wound up, this is the only thing I purchased from the box, and I didn't get the $10 off. And I wrote them and I said, hey, what happened? And they told me about, you need to click on this thing. And they said, we will apply it to your next box. And that's great. I don't know when I'm able to do a new box because I've got boxes lined up for the next 5 unboxings on Thursday, starting with tomorrow will be Wantable. So anyway, that's just, if you use a Fashom link, if you use my link, make sure you look for that before you go through checkout. There's some sort of little click through thing there where you apply whatever credits are available to you. So that's your tip of the day. I did get just this top. There was another one, a beigey top. I think if I would have ordered 3 items, I could have had 15% off, but I really didn't have 3 items I loved in that box. If I remember correctly, that one had 5 items in it. I just couldn't find 3 I really loved. I really liked the lilac-y beigey top with the bell sleeves. If you remember that, I will link I will link that video below this in the drop-down box. My words this morning. And I've got 2 dogs playing crazy over there, so they're a little distracting. Anyway, I didn't get that top and I wish I would have. I've been thinking about it ever since then and it makes me sad. But on the other hand, I didn't get the $10 credit, so I'm kind of glad if I was going to pay full price, it was only for 1 item. So this is the V-neck 3/4 sleeve by Natural Life. I love this top. I've worn it several times since I purchased it. It's got the dolman sleeves on it. I just absolutely love it. The jeans I'm wearing are Not Your Daughter's jeans. One of my very favorite jean brands. They tend to fit me. A couple of their other styles don't work real well, but most of them, they fit me real good. They come in at the waist enough for me, and then they accommodate my hips. My husband got these for me for a Christmas present off of Amazon. So I don't know if I'll be able to link it, but I'll try and find it. I love the super dark wash. They're very clean. There's no distressing. I've had these for, 10 months now because I got them last Christmas and they're still nice and dark. They wash up great. They're just awesome quality jeans. Very, very, very flattering. And I think probably on midlife type figures. Again, I'm 54 and I just love these. And then this little necklace. Is this not pretty? Let me see if I can bring it. It's an opal and it has kind of a gold swirl across it. And I don't think there's any diamonds in that, but it has a second one that looks like it's got a little bumpy detail. And it's on a silver chain. Now, I said in my Nadine West unboxing, my jewelry, most of it, probably 99% of it, is genuine stones and genuine or precious metals. And I've always preferred that. I would rather have a few pieces of the really good stuff and just wear it a lot than inexpensive things that keep wearing out on me. Because I don't purchase any jewelry I don't really love, and it's frustrating when I buy a less expensive piece and then the metal starts wearing out, doesn't look so good anymore. I'm just disappointed. So I know these will look good for a lifetime. But as I have also mentioned, I have a daughter who's in the jewelry industry. She works at, I can't remember the name of the store. It's with the Rogers and Hollins Company, and she's down in Lexington, Kentucky. And so I get some beautiful pieces of jewelry as gifts. And this was my Mother's Day present this year. and it took my breath away when I opened up the box. So it's not only beautiful, but it has a super sentimental value to me, for me. So anyway, that's today with Fashom. Make sure you click the link. I'll put my discount code below. I'll put the link to the Fashom unboxing below, and go check out Donna over at Tips and Tales. She's a lot of fun too if you haven't already seen her. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.